Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we'll take a look at the euro currency. Actually, it's mostly price has completed our setup that we have discussed yesterday and 2 days ago. So we said that we should not be too excited with this upward action in the euro currency because this has really fragile foundation, and it's too early to speak about the major reversal of the sentiment on the euro currency. This is just a bounce that was triggered some technical fundamental events, but overall trend and overall situation still looks bearish in the euro currency, and it will be bearish until market will stand below 109 top. So if market somehow will exceed this area and will continue upward action above the 109, so that could become the major reversal of the situation. But right now it absolutely it's not so. So that's why, as we said, after the deep retracement, this market really could reestablish downward action. But at the same time, since the major driving factor will be the elections result in France, so the first round will start and take place on Sunday. We unfortunately can't foresee what really will happen. And it's the question not only who will win this round, but also in what degree this victory will be taken. So in what percent of the responders, of the voters, will give the vote on the one or another candidate in the president. So we think that France election will bring some real surprises. Do not be trusted to the polls result that now is broadly announcing that Emmanuel Macron will take in the lead. So then, as was said previously, in the United States, it's also the all polls suggest that Hillary Clinton will win, but Trump has taken the lead. So something of that sort we expect in France, and we think that the president will become either Marine Le Pen or Mr. Fillon. So that's our suggestion. So we think that Macron hardly will become the president. Anyway, that's just our view on the situation. Speaking on the technical picture, since today Friday, guys, and it will be a really important event in Sunday, the activity potential right now is limited on euro currency. Hardly will see any significant action today. So mostly market has completed our target that we have suggested. Take a look at that. It has completed this ABC 161AD area, and target has hit 10770, 10780 fib level, as we will see on the 4-hour time frame chart. And in fact, on daily, we have some kind of gorgeous triple to sell patch. Froze down, ABCD retracement. This retracement has been finalized with this good-looking evening star, shooting star pattern. So it's bearish pattern with very high shadow. So it looks bearish, and it's really market indeed could reestablish downward action if results will be supportive to this action. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market has completed pips to pips our destination point that we have discussed yesterday. Indeed, ABCD 161A target has been completed. It's also major 618 resistance 10777. As you can see, just pips to pips, market has reached this level. On the way down, we have two levels. This could be a hit maybe today on the downward retracement. I do not know. This will be 10690 approximately. It's confidence support. It's also previous consolidation. It's previous top. So this will be a really strong support area. Next will be 10650. So on today, price action market could reach this area probably by the end of the session. It's really possible. As traders will start to preparation for Sunday president elections. On the hourly chart, guys, you also could see that the butterfly that we have discussed also has been completed. Market has formed nicely looking bearish divergence here. this is reliable divergence because it has been formed right at the strong resistance and then an agreement. So here we have not just a resistance, but this agreement. It's a combination of the target, the extension, and fib level. This creates a stronger resistance than usual simple fib level. Also, on the hourly chart, you could see the market is forming a small head and shoulders pattern. So the top stands at 1618 extension of the shoulder. That's why we could suggest something of that sort action. So market probably should form some kind of the ABCD here. To the downside, if we suggest that the top of the right shoulder will be approximately in the same area, this could become the ABCD that leads market right to the 106.63 area. If this head and shoulders will be complete 106.63, somewhere around 50% level right here. So that's the pattern that market could continue to forming today. So that's all what we expect right now on the euro currency. As I said, hardly we could get some significant activity here. So right now, euro behaves really predictable. So it completed our suggestion, and right now is forming some kind of the reversal pattern here. So let's keep watching what we will get. Right now, this is, as you can see, the head and shoulders pattern on the hourly chart.